productivity, the bank fee savings, the faster and more accurate application of cash. And while this brings very valuable cost benefits, it also enhances that customer experience. And particularly in this economy, when you will probably be working on an order by order basis with a number of your customers. And you improve that customer experience, that customer sat. You all know the chain reaction as it goes down and ultimately improves the revenue and the profit. AI-enabled cash application is a huge leap forward. Second, it's here today. It's not the system of the future. It's here today, available today, bringing benefits to companies today. And on a broader sense, AI does that for business sub-processes as well. But as they say, the future is now.
For more details, visit www.emagia.com.